Hello, crossover team. Today I would like to talk to you about the first trade online brokerage platform and app. This is an app I use to invest in the stock market. I have been using it for a few years and I find it very convenient. First, I'm going to talk to you about the advantages of the app and then how to use it basically, right? Here in First Trade, you can invest in the stock market, for example, the New York Stock Exchange for general companies, and NASDAQ mostly for technological companies. As you know, the New York Stock Exchange is one of the most important stock exchanges in the world. You can also invest in government bonds and other instruments. Some examples of stocks would be Apple, Amazon, Tesla for technology stocks, and for other kind of companies, Coca-Cola, McDonald's, Walmart. So following with the advantages of First Trade, you get no commissions here. This is very good for our pocket. There is no minimum for investment and no fees for inactivity. You can also be relaxed because you're insured by the SIPC, the Securities Investor Protection Corporation, for about $500,000. So there shouldn't be any risk for frauds. This platform also gives you some trade ideas because you can read some analyst reports. They are experts in finances and investments, and you can watch real-time news that can affect the price of the stocks. For example, when the soccer player Cristiano Ronaldo pushed away a bottle of Coca-Cola during a meeting, and these news were heard all over the world, while the stocks of Coca-Cola went down a little bit. But after a while, they go up again, normally. Some other advantages of First Trade is the extended hours. You can trade from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. when the regular schedule is from 9:30 to 4 p.m. For example, sometimes you see some news at 8 a.m. Maybe regarding the pandemic or regarding the war in Russia, and you think this might affect the price of your stocks. And you can, if you see it at 8 a.m. or at 7 p.m., you can make any trade you want with First Trade. You can also use different devices like your desktop, tablet, or mobile phone. So this is very convenient because you can check the prices of your stocks when you're at home or when you are out with friends or family. Now, about how to use First Trade, you would have to first create an account, fill in your contact information, choose a secure password. We're all familiar with all of this, and then deposit money from your current bank account. Then you would start investing. You can start investing from $1, whatever you have available, $100, $1,000, anything. Normally, some stocks or some instruments that are riskier can yield higher profits, but this is not something certain. So you always have to study all the risks, maybe do some fundamental analysis about the performance of the company you're investing in, or technical analysis, which is usually the price, the history of the price, and then some tools that you use to analyze this and to make me do some forecasts. Then you should be monitoring the price of your investments to see if they go down or up. If they're going down, maybe you want to sell them and buy other stocks or stay away. And also be aware because around 80% of investors lose money, so maybe you don't want to put all your money here. Thank you.